Samsung Galaxy M30s, the new budget level king offering from Samsung. It has its in-house 48 megapixel camera, 6000 mAh battery, teardrop notch and almost everything we asked for. To achieve this, at this price point there could have been great compromises. Good specifications, looking good, but what about its build quality? Let's find out in this video. We tested out last gen M10 and M20. If you want, you can check those out in our profile. At front, we have 6.4-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with teardrop notch. Plastic screen scratches at level 3, tempered glasses at level 6, sapphire glasses at level 8 or 9. We could see scratches at level 6 and more in level 7, so no need to worry about any day-to-day scratches. The entire front of the phone is covered by glass. We don't know what glass it is. Samsung has never specified what glass they use. At top, we have 16 megapixel selfie shooter with f2.2 aperture, which is under the display as well. I mean the glass. The earpiece is made of plastic and it fits very small above the camera. There's no way of scratching it by a razor blade. Thumbs up for that. The entire back cover is made of plastic. Samsung branding too is just a print on the plastic back. At top, we have 48 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 5 megapixel camera setup with f2.2 aperture and f2.22 aperture respectively for the last two, which is also under the glass, so no way of scratching it. The flash is also under the glass. To the left, we have SIM card tray, which is made up of plastic. To the right, we have power button and volume rockers, which is also made up of plastic. At bottom, we have speaker grills Type-C and God's own 3.5mm headphone jack. And at top, we have a small microphone. Samsung Galaxy M30s survived more than 15 seconds when in direct contact with flame. But after heat dissipation, it left with a white mark in the screen. Eventually, I didn't record it while doing it, so I tried it 2 more times again. But this time, we couldn't see any white marks left behind. That's weird, right? That's really weird. Samsung Galaxy M30s has one of the fastest fingerprint sensor in this range. But will it recognize while the sensor is damaged? Let's find out. The fingerprint sensor works fine even after those damages in the fingerprint sensor module. Thumbs up for that. But will it recognize wet finger? Let's find out. No, it doesn't recognize. Only ultrasonic fingerprint sensor modules recognize wet fingers or dirty fingers at any point of time. Last time when we tested M20, it was not that rigid and resisted a bend. What about this time? Let's find out. Plastic phones are the kings of bend tests. This is the same case here. The device survives without any bend or flex. Thumbs up for the build quality, Samsung. Samsung didn't mention any kind of liquid damage protection, but let's find out in this video. The phone works well without any problem, but remember, liquid damages tend to show their effect in long-term use. The speaker works well too, without any issues. This is the actual sound from the speaker. This is the part you have been waiting for. Let's do drop test of M30s. Now let's drop the phone vertically. Still no damages or burn in screen. Everything looks fine till now. Now let's drop the phone sideways. Still no damages. It works fine. Now let's drop the phones back facing downwards. There's no damage in camera protection. Now let's do drop of dead. Most phones don't survive drop of test, but let's test Galaxy M30s. Nope, it doesn't. This is a practical drop test, so no need to worry about it. Almost every phone I test failed drop of dead. Use a phone with good tempered glass and a good case. So, should you buy this phone? Definitely yes. It has great specs, great camera and whatnot. You can buy this phone at great price in Amazon Great Indian Festival sale. Share this video, like it, comment your thoughts about the video and channel. Until next time, signing off. Peace.
Let it go.